Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what will be the IV characteristics of the diode. So far we have known that the VI characteristics of the diode looks like this. This is the IF in the Y axis and this is the VD diode voltage in the x axis. Now the VI characteristics, that is VD versus IF graph, looks like this. It will increase exponentially in the forward bias and there will be a very low amount of current in the reverse bias section, and this voltage is the breakdown voltage. And a normal PN junction diode, when operated in the reverse bias, then the voltage across the diode must be less than the VBR, otherwise it will destroy the diode. So this is the VD versus IF characteristics. Now if we want to draw the IV characteristics, so it will look like this. So let us take the IF in the x axis and let us take VD in the y axis. So we can say that now the graph will look like this. As the VD is increasing, the graph in the forward bias will look like this, and this will be the V gamma, and for the reverse bias it will look like this, where this is the VBR. That means this is the reverse bias operation of the diode and this is the forward bias operation of the diode. Similarly, in this graph, this is the cut-in voltage of the diode. So we can say that these two graphs are equivalent to each other, only the difference is that in the first graph we have put it the VD, that is the diode voltage, in the x axis and IF in the y axis, but in the graph 2 we have put IF in the x axis and VD in the y axis. Now looking at this graph, we can say that a diode is a unidirectional device and it is also a non-linear device. Another thing that can be written, that the diode can be a passive element as well as an active element, but it depends on the applications of the diode. So this is all about the IV characteristics of the diode. Thank you.